We need to solve this system of two linear equations. The y coefficients are -2 and -3. We multiply to create opposite y coefficients, so y will cancel when we add. Multiply every term in the first equation by -3. A common mistake is missing the constant term. After distributing, the first modified equation is ready. Now multiply every term in the second equation by 2. The second modified equation now has the opposite y term. Add the equations vertically, x terms with x terms, y terms with y terms, and constants with constants. The y terms cancel, the constants cancel, and we get x equals 0. Substitute x equals 0 into one original equation, not into a partially changed equation. 3 times 0 is 0, so the equation becomes simpler. Subtract 4 from both sides to isolate the y term. Divide both sides by -2, giving y equals 2. So, the ordered pair solution is 0, 2. There are no denominators or radicals here, so there are no domain restrictions to keep.